Hey there. I was just checking out some video footage from my new Dashcam. I got this TVFEA Dashcam sent to me to make a video about. All right, let's go ahead and check out some of this footage, and then I'll show you how I got this Dashcam all set up. All right, let's get this video started. And here's some driving footage here. You can see how good it looks. I don't know if you noticed or not, but all of the decorative plants in the middle of the road were actually made of metal. To watch the videos here like I'm doing, there's two ways to do it. One is you can take out the little 64 gigabyte card out of the Dashcam, or you can also connect an app. It's got an app that connects to the Dashcam, and so you can watch the videos there. This is the actual camera right here, so you can see what the camera sees. And then if you want to look at all the video files, you just open it up there, and then you can pick one of your videos and you can save it to your phone, and then you can transfer it over here to your computer and watch it like I'm doing here. They're all organized by date and time on here, so you can pick the one you want, and then you can just play it like I'm doing right here. All right, let's go ahead and watch this video here, and I'll show you how good the camera looks. Okay, you can see here it starts recording up on the upper left-hand side. You see it's recording. And then on the right-hand side, you see it's got a microphone, it's got a card reader, and then it's got Wi-Fi. And then it shows on the bottom here, you can see the logo, and then it's got the date and the time there. And here's some driving footage here. You can see how good it looks. I don't know if you noticed or not, but all of the decorative plants in the middle of the road were actually made of metal. The saguaros were made of metal, and all the cactus were made of metal. They're decorative artwork that they put in the middle of the road there. You can also see the arrows in the signs and on the road, so you can see a lot of little details with this camera. You can see the road here, and you can see the signs. I had to blur a few things out for privacy reasons, but you can see how everything looks here. Looks really nice, really good quality. So yeah, this video quality looks really nice. Here's everything that comes in the box. All the accessories and cords are in this nice little box right here. It also comes with a card that has all the paperwork, the instruction manual, and the little static cards there. These little static cards are really nice. You just attach these to your windshield, and then that way you don't have to have the sticker on your windshield there. So that's pretty nice if you want to change it or whatever. And it's got the instructions on here and how it all works. And then you get the user manual here. And then here's the dash cam. This thing's really nice. It's got a nice hinge on it right here. And then it looks like there's a card on the side there. And there's a little 64 gigabyte memory card there. So it's just got the little memory card on the side pre-installed already. Little sticker in there to keep it in place. And there's a little sticker on here. Peel that off. There's a little sticker there. And then there's a sticker here. You peel that off. But first you put these on the windshield there. It also comes with a little bag of clips right here. So when you run your cord here, here's the cord for the rear view camera. If you run the cord for the rear view camera, or if you run the cord for the plug here and you want to have it up out of the way, you can use these nice little clips here. And then here's the rear view camera. Same thing there. It's got a little sticker on there. And that's also got the sticker here. And then you just put one of these on your back windshield there. And it also comes with this little tool here. So when you put your sticker on the windshield, you can use this to get all the air bubbles out. So it's got a nice tool there. And then you just want to wipe down your window there. Clean your window really good. And then you put the little shield on there, and then you'll have a few air bubbles in there, and then you can just use your little tool here to get the air bubbles out. You just work around there and get all those air bubbles out. And then you just peel this little red sticker off of your dash cam there, and then you can stick it up on the windshield. You can see how it looks here. And then, like I said, it's got a nice hinge on there, so you can adjust it to your windshield to get it just right. And it's nice that it's got the plug up there, so it'll be easy to access everything. Here's the power plug right here. You just plug that into your cigarette lighter plug. A nice thing about this plug is it's got a USB port on there, so you could charge something else. It doesn't take up your whole powered charger there, so that's nice. All right, I just got it plugged in there. So yeah, you see you can put another USB cord in here, so that's pretty cool. All right, we'll just turn the car on and see what it does. Looks like there's a screen cover on there, so you can see how it looks here. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. So you can see you got these buttons on the bottom. You got an M, a back arrow, and an up arrow, and a power button there. So yeah, it looks pretty nice. We'll go ahead and drive around and record some video, and we'll see how the video looks. So yeah, this video quality looks really nice. All right, there you go. There's my first impressions of the TVFEA dash cam. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. It's got some pretty good video footage, and it's not too hard to install.